Most editors think the gradient wipe is a basic, old-school effect, but when you use it like this, it's the secret to those high-end cinematic reveals you see in top-tier edits. Today I'm showing you how to create it with no plugins required. First, overlap your two clips like this to create the transition. Make sure you are at the beginning of the top layer and apply the gradient wipe effect to it. Then add another effect called VR chromatic aberration. Start by adjusting the chromatic effect. Set aberration red to -5. Set aberration green to 5. You can leave blue as it is. Next, click the stopwatch icons next to aberration red, green, and blue to add keyframes at the beginning of the layer. Now go to the gradient wipe effect, set transition completion to 100%, and click the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Next, move forward to the point where the bottom clip ends. Set transition completion to 0%. Then set aberration red, green, and blue back to 0 as well. Also, set transition softness to around 35% to smooth the effect. Now preview the result, and the transition is complete. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.